Excuse me, sir. I think you're lost. The party is actually that way. Yeah. Just keep going. Yeah, you got it. Monkeys.
Twerk it, baby.
向こうの人
You gonna finish that? It's full of monkeys.
Yeah, there's a big one just right here.
So this one right here is the Monkey King. He's in charge of the place. Thank you for having us, sir. I'm glad I didn't stand underneath him because they poop and shit everywhere. Just chilling with my peeps. Just chilling. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. This is a private party. Oh, okay, alright, fine. You can come in. You're one of us. So, what do you guys do all day here? Yeah, make sure you get them. You get them right there. Yeah, I saw a little something. Yeah, you got it.
Now it's time for fun.
Holy shit. Well, we made it almost to the top, and we have a spectacular view of Monkey Valley. I don't even think the monkeys make it up here, bro.
I'm not sure. There's 2 monkeys right there, so it means everything.
Enough monkeys. So I just reached 100 subs, and I just wanted to thank everybody. Thank you for your support.
Thank you. This guy needs help.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Next one, 500 subs.
Philippines next one, yeah?
Philippines?
Yeah, the 500.
For 500?
And 1,000 in Thailand.
In Thailand? Yeah, I'll definitely be in Thailand for 1,000.
Cheers.
Bye monkeys, bye. Sayonara.